Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to install and use Google Docs on your Android, on your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following me to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Play Store. If you are using Android phone, what you need to do is to go to your Play Store. But if you are using iPhone, just go to your App Store. And on getting to your App Store or iPhones, next thing you need to do is to simply locate search app. And then right here, click on here and then simply type in Google Docs. Search, it's take you right here. So the next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. And it take you right here. Now, as at the time of making this video, 1 billion plus have successfully downloaded this app. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on install. After a successful download, next thing you need to do is to simply click on open. Then automatically it takes you to this particular interface. Right here, you'll see some of the documents you have been created so far with your Google Docs, whether on PC or on another phone. So the next thing you can do here, you can do some settings right here. And for you to do some settings, what you want to do is to simply click on here, this three stroke from the top. So click on that to take you right here. Next thing you can do right here is to simply click on settings from the bottom side right here. And it take you right here. And here you can decide to change the theme from light mode to dark mode. And for you to do that, simply click on choose theme right here. And then you can simply switch to dark mode. It's as simple as that. If you don't like dark mode, simply switch back to system default. As simple as that. And also under the document creation right here, you make sure you enable this. This allow you to work as if you are working with MS Word. As simple as that. And also enable offline mode. This is very much important. This allow you to work, most especially if you don't have data on your phone. You can still work with some of the documents. So let's quickly go back. So from the home page right here, you can also create a new DOC or choose from the template. And for you to do that, simply click on this plus sign right here from the bottom right here. And this is going to pump up. The first option here allow you to choose template. The second one here allow you to create a new Word file, while the last one here allow you to create new DOC document. Now, if you want to check on some of the templates, simply click on it and you see variety of templates right here. You can use this template to create a Zoom. You can also use this particular different template right here, like letterhead and business letter, essay letter, etc. You can scroll down and see more different templates right here. If you want to use any of the templates right here, simply click on the template. Then having click on the template, it's going to load up into the workspace right here. You can begin to start to edit. So you can see each time you are clicking on any of the box right here, you can simply edit. Like you want to change the job title, as simple as that. Once you are done, simply save the document. So let's quickly go back and see some of other tools we can work with. And then go back to the plus sign right here, and then this allow you to also create new Word file. So if you click on create new Word file, this allow you to start typing with document, and you can work with a lot of formats right here, such as bold, italics, underline, color, alignment text, bulletin, and also add links into your DOC right here. Once you are done, then you go. That is for DOC. Okay, let's quickly go back to the home page. So click on the plus sign again. Then we have to navigate to new DOC file this time around. This is a pure the same interface as far as what DOC is concerned. So you can also use all these tools here. Okay, so basically this is how to install and how you can use Google Docs in mobile. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you